Just a week ago, an image claiming to depict the upcoming HTC U12 Plus in all its dual-camera glory came to the surface, and it seems we didn't have to wait long for high-quality renders based on the very same leak to come out as well. 3D artist concept creator is the one responsible for the rad renders, which give us a pretty good understanding of what an HTC device based on the initial leaked image might look like, and we would lie if we say we're not digging the potential looks of the device. With its slim bezels, glass back panel, dual cameras, and overall superb design, the renders even have the colorful sophistication of HTC U11's liquid glass design language that separated it from the pack. Oh, and we hope those colorful power buttons stick around. As far as specs go, the HTC U12 Plus is expected to boast a 6-inch, 18:9 display, Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 845 processor, 6 GB of RAM, up to 128 GB of storage space, and a 3420 mAh battery. At the back, we are to expect one 6MP plus one 2MP camera combo, while the front of the device allegedly features another combo of two 8MP selfie snappers. Logic suggests that one of these will likely be wide-angle one and the other, a regular snapper. No way of telling what the case with the rear cameras will be, though. Without further ado, take a gander at what HTC might have in tow for us in the coming months. Source at concept creator via Techno Buffalo.